We have some big news coming in. The Civil Aviation Ministry has now notified new drone rules. The number of forms, permissions is now reduced from 25 to 5. No security clearance required before any registration or license issuance. Yellow zone reduced from 45 kilometers to 12 kilometers from the airport perimeter. No permission required for operating a drone in green zones and up to 200 feet in the area between 8 and 12 kilometers from the airport perimeter. Here are some new rules with regards to drones. Civil Aviation Ministry now notifying some new rules with regards to drones. Poulomi Saha with more on that. Poulomi, take us through exactly the reason, the purpose behind this new set of rules that's been laid out by the Civil Aviation Ministry.
These are drone rules which have been notified. They will be replacing the unmanned aircraft system rules which were in fact formed in March 2021. The government was working on creating an ecosystem which was more liberalized, which was more oriented towards self-certification and more progressive in the way that drones could be used for many purposes, from civil, in terms of the civil use of drones for various, for supply of medical supplies to various events, coverage of for security reasons as well, but trying to make those rules more liberalized in fashion. The government says that these are very progressive rules in terms of, you did mention some of the highlights where, of course, the yellow zone, for instance, has been reduced from 45 kilometers to about 12 kilometers from the airport perimeter. The green zone, as far as operating drones in the green zone is concerned, which is basically referring to airspace up to a vertical distance of 400 feet, there will be no permissions required for the same. The penalty, the maximum penalty will be 1 lakh rupees in this case. So it's all oriented towards making it more easy. And as far as the security aspect is concerned, remember that this process started in the wake of the incident that happened in Jammu at the Indian Air Force station. And after that, the government came up with these drone rules, which were first, of course, notified for public consultation, which were basically published for public consultation around July 15th.
Right.
Time was given up till 5th of August. And then after all the comments and suggestions came in, today after approval from the top, the rules have been notified to usher in, as they say, an era of growth while balancing safety and security considerations.
Yeah, Poulomi, thank you very much for joining us with those details on that. New rules with regards to drones being set out by the Civil Aviation Ministry.